On this adventure with Lukimyu, we visit the famous Blue Hole. I fly my new drone for the first time, and we have a little Father's Day fun, Santo style.
Happy Father's Day!
I've got coffee, I've got bacon and eggs. I'm French prepared.
This is the inaugural flight of the DJI Mavic Pro, and we've watched all the tutorials. We've come to an abandoned place. In.
Success. It's easy to fly, it's faster. To be honest, it's a really, really good machine. I think it's going to be cool. Denise found this beautiful little starfish, and if you've never seen the way they move and crawl, it's quite extraordinary. Bert on Aqualong was turning 7, and he had 2 birthday wishes. One was to create popcorn without the lid on, and 2, to go up the mast.
Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Yep, that's true. Yay!
Then it was time for some Father's Day fun.
This is Father's Day. Look at that picture. That's Father's Day. 1, 2, 3. Alright, a little bit of red. Dads and their toys. Right.
Thomas dinghy.
Yay! Woo! Take off. Here he goes. Here she goes.
Jamie is out on the...
Look at that sunset.
I didn't like that.
A few days later, we headed up to Peterson's Bay. The locals here help out with the preservation of the hawksbill turtles. Hi guys, thanks for watching. There's lots more to come, but please remember at the end to give us a YouTube thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends. As a convoy, the crew of Aqualon and Waterhorse joined us to head a few miles up looking for the blue holes. The jungle scenery was just extraordinary. Time to have a little fun.
Probably.
Flip, 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 flip! How was that, Dave?
Yeah. A little bit more painful than I was expecting.
I don't know, but it seems ill-advised.
Go, Denise! Woohoo! Go, Denise! Go, Denise! It's really cool!
This natural spring is just beautiful.
Didn't think that you'd be waiting at the end. Thought you left, I thought I lost you as a friend. I didn't know, I didn't know.
On the next adventure with Lukimyu, we dive a remote location. We explore the famous Champagne Beach and we say our goodbyes to the Aqualon crew.
It's hard, Dave.
Our love would never mend. And there you were waiting just around the bend.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends.
Should have known. If I were to see